Hi guys, in today's video, we'll take a look at the best feature in Microsoft Excel that will help boost your productivity. Microsoft keeps releasing new features from time to time, but the best feature will really help you do your work faster. Let's take a look at this. I will leave a link in the description for the file so you can follow along. I'll be using the online version of Excel. You can also follow along using the Office 365 version of Excel. Now say I've been given some raw data and I want to quickly format this data. So I select this. I select the data, I just right click anywhere, and inside this I can get a search menu. Here I can type what I want to do. So I want to auto fit the column width. It has done that for me. I need not remember where this functionality exists or how to navigate to the same. I can quickly do. Again I can click here. I say I want to auto fit column the row height now. It has done that for me. For the same data I want to insert a table. So I'll say table. And it has created a nice table for me. I can do the sorting and filtering of my data in this table. Now I want to do some data analysis, so I can click anywhere in my data. Again, right click, I will say pivot table. So from table range, select this, click OK. It has created a pivot table for me. Okay, now let us say I want to do some data analysis. Let us say I want to find, I'll click on the hire year and I'll click on the employee ID, put it in the value section. Now, if I want to find the trend of my hiring, I can use this search feature from the top toolbar as well. It is the same. So I'll search here and I will say, let us say line chart. Okay, you can type free text and it will figure out the best option for you. I'll say 2D line chart. This also works within the chart. For anything basically you can type, you need not find it where it exists in Excel or how to navigate to it. So I click on this and I say data labels, I want data labels on. So it will say, I can click on this and it'll say above, it will show me the data labels. Say I want to do something like I want to remove the legend. Again, I click on the chart, I go to the search menu, say legend, and it shows none. So I can remove none, I can remove the legend. So that you can see I can do a lot of things using this without having to remember where the functionality exists. I just need to type in free text and Excel will figure out for me. Let's copy and do another pivot table. So I do another pivot table. And let us remove this from here, and let us remove this again, and let us take the gender in the rows and do the count of employee ID in the value section. Now if I want to insert a column chart for this, so I can say column, insert chart, it shows me. I'll select a stacked column chart and I can see the distribution of the gender. I say I'm not happy with this chart and I want to change this. I'll just say change chart type. I type in free text, it shows me change chart type. I can select a pie chart. So I can do all sorts of things. I can even, if I forget how to bring up this menu, something like that. So I can just click here. I can click anywhere and I can say show field settings. Just say field settings, field list, and it brings up the list for me. So I can do all my functionality in Excel by just searching for this functionality using free text. I need not remember how to navigate to them using Excel or how to find them using the navigation pane or the Excel ribbon. I can do it directly from the search menu, and this really boosts up your productivity, and it is by far the most useful feature in Excel. If you like this video, do leave a like and a comment on my video, and also consider subscribing to my channel for the latest on data analysis in Excel and Python. Thank you.